everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, December 2021. I wish you all happy Merry Christmas and New Year. And today, I don't have any proper plan for these things, so I just decorate my room just with a small Christmas tree with lights and just these things. So you can just have a look with pillows and bed sheets. I just use these things because I don't have to spend. Because I don't have money to spend with for all of this, so I just have a small creative in my own bed sheet and pillows. I just put it here. So guys, I wish you all again, every one of you, Happy New Year, Happy Christmas, Happy Merry Christmas, and just all over the world, whoever is watching my video. And today loi legul kaloi gol ulanau nulepa hojo sinabon chabin tukum December 2021 Christmas mejo sin mangkhom the hi jong lewen lunggel bang mangkhom the hi jong lewi na mun chewa Christmas nom ta iman the na diwa taunen ki yal do jing mitin tunila je thil imacha kin bol di danglong kanai pon programa jong ka jaw thei pon ji achu hi chi new cha khain bol hin nang ho wish na dinga iga ki mu to khom na diwa ka subscriber ho hilwa hele ka YouTube family ho jo se wish kalung sumta ko na wish kahin bol nung pen cho Happy Merry Christmas ahin to let New Year adinga jong hi pai pai nun ti jana cho namun chewa cho thena len khom hin bol vin lang len khom lai sa nom tai mi sina lai sa hele nom pen na mun dangal thai le sanga ti jana cho namun chewa program nom ta hin mang che vin lang khyo jong nin gyal do jong vin lang khala khat ki gyal do jing to tin amang thelo jong tampi ko mu vin amang zo sin nom ten hin mang vin lang hi jong le lung thim sunga ko na yung naman chi aki mang chi hin na ki gyal chi hin la to la tham hi la mun chom choma thil chom choma ki boi zinin dei bangin gyal bangin ki mang thei pon tizana so dunia wish ken balnom pen so hi le chi neu chakhat decoration ka ki bolai je nang ho dinga wish ken bolnom hi jina cho se deu chom cha khan sem hin dam sel chi ohitin naman chevin everyone, bye bye. Please like my video, share my video, subscribe my channel to support me. More video will come. Not only like this, maybe arts and craft plus mix up. Bon savin dam sel chau te, bye bye, see you all.